welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. In case you didn't know, my name is Megan and I post videos here on YouTube at least twice a week. Today we're going to have sort of a laid back video and I'm going to do a review / walkthrough of the Hanson-Roberts Tarot deck. This was the first tarot deck I ever received. It was given to me by my boyfriend's mom almost 11 years ago. It didn't come with a box or a booklet. She said she got it from a friend a few years before and didn't know what to do with it, so she held on to it. When I moved into her home in Oklahoma with my boyfriend and spoke about my beliefs, she said she immediately knew she held on to it so she could gift it to me. The Hanson-Roberts Tarot deck follows the symbolism of the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith deck that was illustrated by Pamela Coleman Smith. Mary Hanson-Roberts put her own spin on the images, keeping them in line with the symbolism but giving them an updated feel. This deck was released by US Games in 1984 and has been fairly popular and successful. Mary Hanson-Roberts used colored pencil to make this deck inspired by the Rider-Waite Tarot. Full scenes appear on all the cards, and titles are in English, French, Italian, German, and Spanish. The back design is of a Celtic knot with floral ornamentation. Hanson-Roberts devoted approximately 8 months to creating the 81 pieces of art in this deck, 78 face cards, plus top, introduction, and back design. Even though this deck is older to me, it is one of my go-tos for traditional readings. The symbolism on the cards is easy enough to see clearly, so it can be interpreted intuitively. There are a few things that appeal to me in this deck. The colors aren't overly vibrant or overbearing. The symbols are easily interpreted. The illustrations aren't archaic or ancient appearing, and the faces of the people in the cards easily convey the emotion the card holds. Each suit also corresponds to its associated element through color. Cups have more greens and blues. Rods have more oranges and reds. Pentacles have more browns and earthy tones, and swords have more grays and silvers. This deck also uses the term rods instead of wands, which I don't mind. Overall, this deck is a nostalgic one for me because of the way it was gifted to me and the fact that it was my very first tarot deck. I don't think I will ever get rid of it, and it will probably always be one of my favorites. I recommend this deck for anyone who is looking to stick with the traditional symbology of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, but who wants a more updated feel to the imagery. I hope you like this flip through and enjoy seeing the images as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough / review. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give the video a thumbs up. There will be a link in the description, or maybe a couple of links in the description, where you can pick up this deck for yourself if you want. As always, you can check out my kit.co link in the description as well, that has links to the books that I recommend and any other sort of cool things that I decide to put in there as well. And then we'll see you back here next time. Bye for now. As always, I'd love to give a huge shout out to my patrons over on Patreon. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you'd like to join me over on Patreon, you can do so at patreon.com/roundthecauldron, where you can get patron exclusive perks and content for as little as $1 a month.